Hey, what's going on? Crypto Richie here hanging out with you today. So, we're going to quickly show you how to bridge from Ethereum to PulseChain and get into a farm to earn yield. So, this is how you do it. First thing you're going to do is go to bridge.pulsechain.com. Keep in mind that you need to have some Ethereum or USDC or USDT stablecoin or ETH preferably to bridge over to PulseChain. And if you don't have any Pulse, you need to get some Pulse token, right? Because Pulse is basically the fork of Ethereum. And just like on Ethereum, you need Ethereum to do transaction fees, right? Now you can actually use USDC, but you need Pulse for the transactions. Okay, so saying that you have that, because that's probably for another video. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is go to bridge.pulsechain.com. You're going to click this link here, or you can run it on your computer, run the original code on your desktop. Okay, you can learn more about decentralized blockchain. This is completely decentralized. PulseChain is the only blockchain out there, one of the best. So click that. You're going to open a page like this. You're going to connect your wallet. I'm already connected here, as you can see. Now I want to bridge over 5,000 USDT over to PulseChain. So you can see from Ethereum to PulseChain. Click send. Authorize. I'm going to have to do a double authorization because first we're letting them bridge, authorizing to access the 5,000, and then we're going to bridge it over. So this is a $3 transaction here. And then once we bridge it, it's another couple bucks transaction. And then we wait about 30 minutes and then it'll show up in our wallet on the PulseChain side. So boom, authorize bridge, send. So we're going to be getting Ethereum USDT on PulseChain. Wow, so this is actually costing me $13. To bridge. Ethereum's getting expensive again. That's why we want to move over to PulseChain. Okay, so it's going to be 96 confirmations on Ethereum. That's already done. So I'm going to put this on pause, give it about 30 minutes, and then we're going to check our bridge over on PulseChain. Once that happens, we can go to pulsex.com. Okay, this is the DEX of PulseChain. Okay, you're going to click launch the app. You're going to go to a same type of site like this where you can run it on your computer, or you can just click this cloud link here, pulsex.mypinata.cloud, IFPS, right? Click that, which takes you to it's going to have this weird URL, but that's fine. Okay. And this is basically it. So you connect your wallet and you're going to be able to basically trade with all the tokens on PulseX. If you want to go to info, you can see all the tokens there. Another great site to go take a look at what's on PulseChain is gopulse.com. I'll have the links down below. You can basically see the price of Pulse. All right, this is the Pulse token, the copy of Ethereum. This is the PulseX, basically Uniswap. This is the OG Hex coin. Okay, basically the better Bitcoin, and it's at 2 cents right now. And then you got the Ink token, which is the reward token for farming. Okay, and that's at 396. You can click these arrows to get the price chart if you want. You can go to coins. You can see the bubble view, basically all the coins on PulseChain. You can see what's pumping. Okay, P render is pumping right now. Wow, there's a P render. Because render is pumping on regular render on Ethereum side. So now you got render pumping on PulseChain, which is crazy. Look at that. All of a sudden, just because render started pumping. Wow, went up to 40 cents and now it's at 10 cents. 23K. So there's so much opportunity. There's so much opportunity on PulseChain, guys. So this is a great site to check out. So I'm going to go to, basically, we're going to go back to pulsex.com. We're going to click farm. Okay, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a USDT from Ethereum, right? And Pulse farm. I'm going to basically get 74.98% APR. And this is very, very reasonable. This is a very good APR. Right? It's not those crazy 10,000% APRs and then you get rugged like the Ohm token. But let's just say I'm going to do 5,000, right? Starting out. So every 7 days, I'm basically making $72 by putting 5,000 in the pool. 30 days, $317. So just opening up a starter position right now, I'm probably going to add another 5,000 in and just play with it. You know, this will be like $150 a week, $600 a month, give or take, in Ink token. Basically, I'll be getting Ink token at, you know, the current $4 price range, which comes out to $317, which is very, very cool. You can see this pool has $17 million locked. You got all these other pools here. You got $76 million in this pool, 45, 17, 28 million on wrapped Ethereum and Pulse. So that's what we're doing. So let's go back to Bridge quickly. This page you already got. So we're just waiting for this to go. It's 18 out of 96 confirmation. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and then we'll go ahead and check our wallet and we'll go to PulseX and start a farm. I'll see you soon. All right, we are back. I just had a little movie break. I came back. It took about 30 minutes. So now that we take a look at our PulseChain side, we can see that I have $5,000 in USDT. Okay, bridged over. Okay, and if you want to see the transactions, you could just click this and you'll be able to see the actual transaction hash that went through for you. Okay, so I had 19,000 up here on Ethereum. Now it's down to 14. I got 5,000 here, right? So I'll go to PulseX now. Okay, and I clicked on farm. So now I'm in the farm area. And now what you do is you click on add liquidity, add LP. So I click that. This page opened up. Now I'm going to click max on our LP side. So 5,000 USDT because I got our USDT here and I have Pulse. I already have enough Pulse. So I'm going to be adding 61 million Pulse. Which is 5,000. So it has to be paired up. So as long as you do 5 max on this side, it'll pull in whatever you need on the Pulse side. Okay, so that's pretty much it, 49.87. So I'll click enable USDT. And that'll have this another couple of transactions. And you're going to pay, you're going to pay a little bit of fees with transactions and all that, but you're going to be making it back with. So I'm paying 0.0047 cents, which is 57 PLS, which is super cheap. Another reason why you want to do business on PulseChain, it's just so cheap. So we're going to enable and then we're going to supply and we're going to get our liquidity pool up and running. So that's set. Now we're going to click supply. Okay, so basically we get 0.55 of the pool tokens. Okay, so this is basically what it looks like. Share of pool 0.057%. 1 PLS equals that. 1 USDT equals that. PLS deposited. So it's going to be the same thing when you want to get out. And we'll make a separate video on basically getting out of your liquidity pool. So we're going to go ahead and sign this transaction here. $0.02. Add PLP to your wallet. So the PLP is basically 99.73. This is the PLP liquidity pool token. Add, close. Okay, now basically that's pretty much it. LP tokens in your wallet, 0.55 share of pool. I got 5,000 USDT, 61,113,000 PLS. And now when we go back to PulseChain here, and I basically, I'm gonna have to enable the farm. So let's just refresh this page quick. Okay, so now that I have my liquidity pool tokens, I go back here and I click enable farm. Another 0.0035. Now that it's enabled, then now you stake it. Stake USDT from Ethereum PLS, stake liquidity pool. So when you click that, I can do the max amount, okay, or half of it, half of my LP if I wanted to. I'm gonna go max, right, because I want to get the maximum. This is basically what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna stake my whole liquidity pool position, max. If we want to look at the calculator, basically this is what it's gonna look like. Every day I'm making 20 bucks. 7 days I'll be making 145. 30 days I'll be making $638 by staking this pool. Pretty cool. All right. So let's just go back here for a second. So every day I'm earning 5.164 ETH tokens. And we can check the price of ETH tokens at, actually, you want to go to gopulse.com. So we go to gopulse.com, and basically each ETH token is 403, right? So that's where you're making 20 bucks a day. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Super easy. So let's go ahead, click max, confirm. See, there's a couple of transactions that you got to do, but these are super cheap on the PulseChain side. You know, literally less than a penny to actually do this. Annual, look, 3 cents. Okay, you'll make all of your transaction fees back within an hour, pretty much. Transaction submitted, and then when you come here, you could harvest your ETH token. So we'll make another video on harvesting your ETH tokens. Okay, staked, boom, done. So now when we come here, when we connect our wallet, right, we could come here and we can see what's going on. Okay, it'll tell me how much I'm earned here. How much is being earned because of, you know, from my position here. When you want to take out, you just click minus how much you want to take out. You can take out 50% of your portfolio, 75% max. This is basically the LP token, right? But it's going to be different when you want to harvest. This is where you're going to see your harvest to claim your ETH token. You can just click that button, but I'm not going to harvest. There's only like not even anything there yet. Okay, so let's cancel this. So we'll check back. I'll make another video tomorrow, basically. Maybe I'll make another video when I wake up in the morning. It's 9:20 p.m. So by the time I wake up tomorrow morning, it'll be a good, 8 hours from now. Oh, less than that. But we'll check it tomorrow, make another video, and we'll see how much ink is earned in a half a day, pretty much. Or, tomorrow sometime I'll make a video update. And I'll show you how to harvest. I'll harvest it, and that's pretty much it as far as farming, yield farming on PulseChain. So I hope you liked the video. I know it was a little long, but I mean 15 minutes, not too bad. It's Tony here from Crypto Waters. Thanks for watching the video. Click like, share, subscribe. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to like the video again, and you can see I already earned 2 cents. In literally a minute. Pretty cool. I think that's pretty much about it for now. All right, talk to you soon. Have a good one, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.